Yeah, hi Paul. So this is a quick demo. So here's the add-in. So the whole concept is to have the add-in in Outlook, so it will make it much easier for people to use it. So I click on it. So this is the results that they're getting. So for example, I have this email. I didn't want to have any permissions to change anything in the email for liability. So the only permissions that I'm asking is just read. Okay, so here's the subscription. I'm subscribed, and the subscription is managed by Stripe. So here are the options that I have. Of course, here I thought that if an organization want to make an external version, they can contact me. And here's the option. So first is summarize. So this will move up by itself. It's linked to a AI, so it summarizes the email. So this, let's say, pros and cons of AI. Then, if you want to translate it, here I put English to Arabic. Of course, I can add more languages if I want. So here's translating. So the whole concept is that they don't need to copy and go to ChatGPT, paste everything is in their email. So here's the translation. Okay, we can of course clear all the time, and I can beside my signature, like usually you'll put thanks, Muhammad, thanks, Paul, whatever. So let's say I have Muhammad. I want to save my name here, so it's stored. So now it's stored. Uh, Now let's say I want to respond to my email. Okay, so open it again. Okay, let's say I will insert greeting. So hi there, thank you, Muhammad. Okay, because of the HTML limitation, reading the sender's name didn't work well with me, but in the desktop version, actually it works. It can scan and check what's the name of the person and write it. But I made it in the code. If they can't find anything, they can just write hi there. And then let's say I wanna I will make some grammar mistakes on purpose. So let's say I reading your message tomorrow and find out that it is not correct. So I made like a little bit mistake, so I'll do check grammar, and this is handy for. So here it fix it and fix the spelling. Okay, and yeah, and this is if I have a lot of emails and I just want to make uh, like an email that is like let's that I use it all the time. Of course, I can add more, but this is just what I will put in the market, hoping that big corporations can call me and ask me for a customized one. So I can say, "Hi, I received your email and will get back to you. Regards." And we save the message. Okay, so I'll write here. Okay, so here it is, and yeah, and I can of course clear it and use another message. The meetings. This will read from the calendar, and let's say I want to check. I will choose for Friday. Okay, I'll write for this date, so it will give me all the meetings, the time, and I adjusted the time to make it as per the person's local time, the location, and who invited it, and you can get a range. And this I had it as a like to search for, let's say, emails that I'm just copied VIPs and stuff like this. VIP, I can write here which emails would be the VIP. So, for example, I want the emails that I'm just copying. Of course, this is just a simple um, code for copying, but the whole purpose is to see them actually, to show them actually what the app can do. So I can copy it here and then paste it. I didn't need to copy it, it's actually copied by itself and then paste it, and then I can check it. So yeah, so this is mainly the add-in. Looking for your feedback. Thank you. And actually your feedback also about marketing, because it's so hard to reach people who receive a lot of emails specifically, like and these ads through Apple and LinkedIn and stuff are crazy, like super expensive. I would lose money if I would use them. Okay, thank you.